Hello friends, in the last lecture, in the last two lecture, that is first lecture on the coupling, that is we understood the couplings, Oldham couplings, three-dimensional figure, cutting section. In the second figure, we are actually deal with the coupling from the details, that is we have given the front view and side view of each details of that component. The component is a Oldham coupling. We understood the function. Then, from that details, we have drawn the sectional front view of that coupling. Now, we have to complete today side view. There are two types of side view, left hand side view and right hand side view. That is LHS and RHS. Now let us have observe here, that is from this side. If you observe from the left side here is the position of the observer. Here is the position of the observer, and he is looking at this parts, whole assembly, and we have to draw the view on the right side. He is standing on the left side, he is observing and drawing on the right side. Okay. Now first, there are four parts. First one is flange, second one is central block, third one is again flange, and both shafts, shaft number 1, shaft number 2 are joined to transmit the power. How they are joined? That is with the help of the key. Here is the key they have shown, they are not shown here. Here is the key which is fitted in the shaft, half in the shaft and half in the hub, that is flange hub, and we transmit the power. Now first, we have to understand it is orthographic two-dimensional view. Okay. It is seen rectangle here. But what is the actual cross section? Which type of solid it is here? That is, it is cylindrical solid, horizontal solid. All are cylindrical in shapes, circular shapes, cross sections. Okay. Now I will transfer from the left hand side. I will transfer first. We will deal with the flange. I will transfer this side view. First flange. I will transfer here. I will draw the center line. And I will draw the one vertical center line. Now what is the diameter here? He is observing for, it is observed to the observer, that is 106. This circle, it is a circular because it is cylinder. Now second, this is a 50 mm hole. It is seen to the observer from the left side, so we will dark it. We will draw the dark circle. This is the total maximum diameter of this flange, that is 150. Diameter 150. It is seen to the observer. So I am drawing it dark. Next, here is a slot. It is a horizontal slot. So I will transfer this projection line. It is not seen to the observer. Invisible away from the observer. Here is the key. Here is the shaft and key. Half of the key is in shaft and half of the key is in. This is the shaft and this is the hub. This is the hub and this is the shaft. Okay. Now here if you draw the central disc having the same diameter, same slot here, that is, and so we will move for the second flange here. I will change the color. Now I will transfer the second center line of the second flange, which is 20 mm parallel with respect to the first flange. That is, both the axis of the shaft is 20 meter difference at difference eccentric and parallel. Now I will draw this flange. I will take the radius. What is the radius here? Just take the radius. That is 150, 75. Total diameter is 150. Now this is the wrong method. Where I have to keep the center line? I have drawn the center line here. This is the center line. Okay. So this part which does not interfere the pink color, that is flange number 1. Okay, that part is seen dark. And this part which comes inside the pink color, that is circle of the flange 150 mm, this part will be dotted. It is not seen to the observer. This part is seen to the observer. This part is visible to the observer. Now second diameter, that is hub. The hub diameter is 106. Here is the center. Here is the center. This is the center we have transferred here. And that is not seen. He is observing from the left side. He is observing from the left side. It is not seen to the observer. So this will be the complete dotted. Now this is the whole diameter where the shaft is inserted. That is 50 mm. Here is the center we have transferred. It will be also dotted. Here is the key. Now this is the key. I will transfer the projection, half part in the shaft, half part in the hub, 16 by 10 mm. Now here is the slot. In the first flange the slot is horizontal. This slot is horizontal. In the second flange the slot is vertical. What is the distance? The same distance, that is 24, 30. Same distance you have to take. This is the center line. This distance, which distance? The same distance on either side. Okay, and draw. Now this much part outside the pink, first flange is dark, and which lies behind the first flange, this part will be dotted. Here also here we have taken the cut section AA. In this way we have to complete the left hand side view. Now what we have to give here, we have to give some dimension. What is the dimension of this slot? This slot is 24 mm. Okay, you have to give some diameter 150. This is the key. Now After completing front view and left hand side, because it is cylindrical shape, if you observe from the left side, it is cylindrical shape, so only circles are seen here, and there are two rectangles here. We will get a 4 marks here to draw this. What is the work here? Simply take a divided compass, take the radius and transfer it. If it is visible, draw dark. If it is not seen to the observer, we have to draw it dotted. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes if you understand the coupling very well. Now we will move, we will score 4 marks here, we will score 10 marks here. For the front view, sectional front view, 10 marks, 4 marks here, and we will now see the part list, how the part list is prepared. Now how to give the name? We have to give the name here, that is assembly of Oldham coupling. Now we will look how to prepare the part list or bill of material. Just it is a table. Just it is a table. How it is prepared. First, part name, part number. Second, part name. Third, material. Fourth, quantity. This is the table we have to prepare. How many parts? We have to look for the question here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first part name is flange. What is the material? They have given material. They have given CI, cast iron, CI. How many quantities? There are 2 quantities. First and third, there are 2 quantities. First and this is, we are not given the number because there are 2 first only. Now second, which is the second here? Central block. Just we have to see the question. Everything is available. It is also made up of cast iron. How many central blocks are there or central discs are there? Only 1. Third is key. Here key. It is made up of mild steel. How many quantities there are? 2. Here shaft 1 and shaft 2. 2 quantities. Fourth one is shaft. It is also made up of MS. 2 quantities. We score here 2 marks. Okay. In this way, we have completed the assembly of Oldham coupling, that is sectional front view, side view, and we have prepared the part list to obtain total 16 marks. Okay. Just practice it. Same problem I think I will give for the seat, to draw the seat. In the next lecture, we will see lathe tool post, assembly of lathe tool post and foot step bearing. Okay, good night. Thank you.